before COVID, and then the drop as COVID
This is a
happened,
look at
is when you
Chipotle.
got Chipotle and names like that, where they lost all their foot traffic. So it really hasn't recovered. They lost Brian Nickel as well. We can zoom back out on Chipotle. It's split, so I'm not going to use our charts for that. But this is just an interesting name down here at 40, 41 bucks. Looks like it can maybe get going. And I don't at me at this if it continues to tank. But I think this might be something that I'm going to look at a little bit longer and see if I can take a Chipotle.
35.89
38 or whatever
is one target to the south side on the daily.
Because I like Chipotle, and I think that there's not just the food. I think it's good. I don't know if the value's there. It's probably not, but it's been pretty good every time I've.
I haven't eaten there in years.
Pretty good there. Okay, so falling back in. Let's see if these futures want to give it to us.
I think,
We don't have Greg's. I've never heard of that. We have Freshie. Freshie is like the most popular spot in my house. My daughter loves it. They make the salads, and you can get. Subway just introduced bowls as well. You like?
Really? Poke bowls?
Yeah, poke.
Yeah, they're cool. They're cool. Not too bad. Yeah. No, I like that. Let's see. I like. There's a place. There's the Rollation just down just around the road.
I got that.
It's okay. They're pretty good.
On the road, it's attached.
It's part of the same building. Yeah. Down the pathway, down the alleyway. Excuse me.
At the end of the alley.
At the end of the alley, it's right there. But yeah, no, I like their karage.
Me too.
Their karage is pretty good. Karage burgers, love those. But yeah, no, good stuff there. For sure. Another one that I've only recently been to, and if they traded publicly, I would very much go long, is oh my God, Chick-fil-A.
Yeah, not public.
Chick-fil-A. I know, they're not public. But I went in there and I saw how things are run and how, dude, talk about fast food. Oh, I order, literally less than 120 seconds later, it's in my hand. They're so effective. They're so efficient. And what was crazy was they have garbage compressors. It's just a simple, small things. Right?
I haven't eaten there in years as well.
I put my garbage in for 5 seconds because it said compressing the garbage. So they have a machine that takes the garbage and they just pushes it down. So they have to they take it out less.
Less work.
It's less work.
Easier for you. You're not.
It's more effective. It's more efficient. Right? It's just. Dude, if they were publicly owned, publicly traded, but they're privately owned, I would definitely be long and strong.
Chicken or?
I've tried a few.
I would buy it too. They have a cult following.
I just don't know if some people get the spicy, the regular. I don't know.
My handyman works for a guy that owns several of them.
They're pretty good.
They just opened one in Georgia. Well, he opened, I think, a second one.
I don't think that's horrible there. Yo, Sadiq, what's up, Sadiq? Yeah, look, Marvell is I don't know, we can look at SMCI, but Marvell is like, that's my guy right here. If you go back and you look at anything that I posted on Twitter or live here on the show, we've been talking about Marvell for weeks. And I was talking about it so much that we bought it pre-earnings. I liked it so much, and it fell back down in. And I also did the same.
This is Marvell on the 5.
Obi?
Yes. What's up?
It's happening.
Oh, boom, it's happening.
It's happening.
Oh my God, it's happening.
Only a couple hunch left, but we just got a nice fill down there at 90, so the futures are falling back in. Yeah, no, I was going to say, that's a good one, the rebound in Marvell. The rebound in Lulu, not so much. This one here, I don't know, man. We had bought we nibbled in this one. We weren't feeling the greatest about this trade anyways before we got in this, but we... basically
here's the buy-in signal right here. Sell signal. Sell signal. That gap closed.
I did the same thing in this one. So we bought a little bit before the earnings. It went down. We did our 3-day rule. I think we got more long probably about.
Watch out for this landmine.
164. I'm not sure the exact price. It did actually go a little bit lower after that, after the 3rd day, and I was like, oh my God, I bought more of this thing, and now it's back up to the upside. Nike earnings saved it a little bit potentially. We got in a couple bumps up over the last couple days, but yeah, Lulu's still in trouble. It just needs to break this 50 period, then I think we can get back above to at least pre-earnings of 210 or so, but this is a call that we made on earnings. So again, we'll pat ourselves on the back for Marvell, but then, Lululemon eating some of that lunch there on that play. Okay, buddy, we made back a lot of money there today on this play. I still wish we still had the full boat, but I don't. Nice move there on the futures to end of the day. Obi, what you got?
Yeah, man, I'm watching this lift going into the close. Nothing too crazy, man. Great show there. But yeah, don't forget. They trade the pool Beat Ackman live trading competition is here. October 8th to the 10th, every day, Ackman makes his move. Your mission? Outperform him. Beat his run. Prove you've got what it takes. Then the grand finale on October 13th, broadcast live here on TraderTV with Trade the Pool team live in the studio and over $600,000 in prizes.
This is Philip Morris.
25K, 50K, even 100K valuation accounts, plus surprise giveaways during the live show. Don't just watch, compete, beat Ackman, win big, scan the QR, and start trading today. So yeah, that's very exciting. That's gonna be very.
The middle of the trend now takes us to 159.40. 157.13 to the south side.
But we'll see. We'll see what he's up to as well. So yeah, hopefully you guys have had a solid
Your buy signal,
today.
another buy signal, sell signal, sell signal.
Action there off of the open. Very strong
sell signal, sell signal.
Across the board, we saw that happen.
Buy signal.
Video. I don't know. It was very enticing for us to be like, okay, well.
We have 2 more minutes until the market closes.
So maybe not today.
Let's look at NVIDIA.
Probably not today. Yeah, so we'll see. We'll look at it tomorrow coming into the end of the week. Maybe it pushes a little bit higher as well at the same time. So just watching this lift, man. Lift seems like it's not really doing what I'm looking for, and we only have a couple of minutes left until the close. It's probably going to stop me out. It still hasn't stopped me out here just yet. I'm just waiting for that to potentially happen in the next minute or so. But yeah, Intel coming in real hot on the day today. That was a great runner as
2240
well. In the chat, what did
will
you
be your
guys
pullback.
Today? What was your top stock? We kind of talked about what we thought was
Intel, 52-week highs. Fantastic. I own this for myself and for my mom. The last time I bought in for myself was at the $18 range. This gap closed.
That's fine. It was a sell imbalance as well. That's what I was looking at. It was a sell imbalance, about $1 million sell imbalance on lift, and then we did get a little bit of a pull back in, but then bids right back up. I'm like, all right, cool.
Resistance is at 38.37. Back to an area that was a price target. The yellow lines are from 2024 that I marked out.
I was frozen earlier today, and I had to relog. Log back in for that one.
Oh, no, that's because I logged in over there. I'm an idiot.
Okay. Yeah, you just gotta I think if you relog, you'll.
I gotta go. I'm gonna go punch out.
Yes.
Intel is in talks with Apple for potential investment and collaboration to boost its role in U.S. semiconductor manufacturing, following recent backing from the government and NVIDIA. Intel is on fire. Apple needs to do something with AI, so that's a good pairing.
3, 2, and 1. There it is. Thank you very much. The bell brought to you by Beta Pro by Global X.
And that is the end of the market. Let's look at.
Lift. Yeah, it didn't really work out there. So that was a loss on my part there. But guess what? Couple losers today.
That's not the right one.
I dealt with. So Lift was one of them. You guys were here for that. The reversion was kind of mean, and it didn't really revert to the mean, so that's fine. I lose on that one. A bit aggressive here on the NVIDIA push, so that's underneath my face, so I'll bring it over here and kind of zoom in on this. So this was my trade on NVIDIA in the morning, opening range drive. I did get long right here through that 190. 190 came in real hot, so boom.
We hit a 52-week high with NVIDIA as well. This is your sell signal.
Realistically, I should be placing my stop.
So 187.49.
This to go right away, and I'm getting aggressive along the way with that kind of price action. As soon as those buyers are done,
we'll close out this gap.
And I should be getting out much higher, not giving
186.98 and 185.85. And watch out for this landmine, but that's not in the channel, not in the zone, not even close. All right, that is a look at the end of the day. Hopefully I will get some more videos also made on a couple of tickers that ran today. All right, talk to you later.